Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the vaccines, unveiled, the science stories and safeguards of immunization. Introduction to vaccines. Welcome to Vaccine to Live and this presentation explores the science stories and safeguards of immunization. We will develop into how vaccines work, their historical significance, and the vital role they play in the public health. Join us on this enlightening journey. The science behind vaccines. Vaccines are based on the principle of immunization. They stimulate the body's immune response by introducing a harmless component of a pathogen. This prepares our immune system to recognize and fight off actual infections, ensuring the protection against disease. A brief history. The journey of the vaccines began in the late 18th century with the Edward Jenner's smallpox vaccine. Since then, vaccines have evolved dramatically, leading to the eradication of disease like the smallpox and the significant reduction in the other. Each milestone tells a story of innovation and dedication. Types of vaccines. Vaccines can be categorized into several types: live attenuated, inactivated, subunit, and mRNA. Each type has its unique method of stimulating an immune response, catering to different disease and populations. Understanding these types is crucial for informed choices. How vaccines work. When administered, vaccines introduce antigens that mimic pathogens. These triggers the body to produce antibodies, then train immune cells. Upon actual exposure to the disease, the immune system is ready to respond swiftly and effectively, preventing illness. Next, success stories. Vaccination campaign have led to remarkable success stories such as eradications of smallpox and the near eliminations of polio. These achievements highlight the power of collection action in the public health and the importance of continued vaccination efforts. Addressing the micro uh, misconceptions. Despite overwhelming evidence supporting vaccines, misconceptions persist. Common myths include false link to autism and exaggerated side effects. It's essential to rely on the scientific evidence and expert guidance to dispel these myths and promote informed decisions. Global vaccination efforts. Global initiation such as the GAVI and the Global Vaccine Action Plan aim to ensure that the vaccines reach everyone, especially in low-income countries. These efforts are crucial for achieving herd immunity and protecting the vulnerable population worldwide. Safety and monitoring. The vaccines undergo the rigorous testing and the monitoring before approval, the post-marketing surveillance and ensure the ongoing safety. With the system in place to track adverse events, these commitment to safety builds public trust and encourage the widespread vaccination. The role of technology. Advancement in technology has revolutionized the vaccines development. Techniques like the mRNA technology have enabled rapid responses to emerging disease as seen with COVID-19 vaccines. This innovation is paving the way for future breakthrough in immunization. Community and engagement is vital for successful vaccination campaign, educating the public, addressing the concerns, and fostering trust among communities can significantly increase vaccination rate. Together we can create a healthier future. Our conclusion, the future of vaccination. We will look ahead the future of vaccines is bright. Continued research, education, and global collaboration will be essential in combating emerging diseases and ensuring that everyone has access to life-saving vaccine. Together we can safeguard our life, our health. Thank you for watching.